In this video, I'm going to show you how to create faceless Instagram Reels using AI, even if you're a complete beginner. I also want to show you what I believe is the best AI video generator. Before we begin, there is one important thing to mention. If you'd like to follow along or simply try out this AI tool for yourself, you can use the link in the description to test Pictory for free. Let's jump right in. Once you land on the site, click on the Start for Free button and sign in using your Google account to get immediate access. After signing in, you'll be prompted to select why you want to use Pictory. So go ahead and choose the option that best fits creating faceless Instagram Reels or short-form content. This is the Pictory.ai dashboard. Along the top, you'll see the main features, but for this tutorial, I'm going to focus primarily on text to video and briefly touch on a couple of other tools. Text to video is essentially the core feature for creating faceless Instagram videos, and once you understand how to use it, creating viral short-form content with AI becomes much easier. Everything connects back to the dashboard, so getting comfortable here will make the whole process smoother. Let's start by clicking on Text to Video, which allows you to transform a written script into an engaging faceless Instagram reel. The first step is entering your video name, which serves as the title. Below that is where you paste your script. It doesn't matter how you create the script. You can write it yourself, use ChatGPT, or generate it with any AI tool you prefer. I already have a script prepared, so I'll paste that in and share a few tips along the way. One important tip for faceless Instagram Reels is to avoid long, run-on sentences. Earlier, this script contained a single long sentence, but I split it into two by using ellipses and a line break. This helps prevent overcrowding text on one frame. Shorter, punchier sentences perform much better on Instagram, and the ellipses signal to viewers that more is coming, encouraging them to keep watching. You don't need to do this for every sentence, but it's very helpful when dealing with longer ones. Ideally, your script should be clean, readable, and visually balanced. You can also use Ask AI to improve the script. Choose the options you prefer, and you can shorten, lengthen, rephrase, or change the tone as needed. You can also adjust the video format here, switching to portrait, which is ideal for Instagram Reels and other vertical platforms. Once the script is added, you'll see several scene settings, including options like auto-highlight keywords, auto-visual selection, and creating new scenes. I usually keep these enabled and prefer creating new scenes based on sentence and line breaks, which works perfectly for Instagram-style videos. Once everything looks good, click the Generate Video button. After that, you'll be prompted to select a theme for your video. Choose the theme that best matches the style and vibe you want for your faceless Instagram content, since this controls how the text, visuals, and overall layout look throughout the video. After selecting your theme, the video will begin generating, and you'll be taken into the editor where you can start making further adjustments. Now let's walk through the editor. When you click on a specific scene, it opens for editing. You can select scenes either from the timeline or directly from the preview area. Right away, you'll notice that some visuals may not be ideal, and that's perfectly normal. These can be easily changed. Visuals are usually the most time-consuming part of creating viral Instagram Reels with AI, so let's focus there. If you see a visual you don't like, click on the Visuals tab and scroll through the available options. Look for something relevant to the script and visually engaging. For example, if the scene is about social media growth, choosing a clip that shows someone scrolling on their phone makes sense. Once you select a new visual, it replaces the old one instantly. You'll repeat this process for each scene, matching visuals as closely as possible to the on-screen text. As you go through the scenes, make sure the visuals align with the message. For instance, a scene about discoverability works well with visuals showing someone searching or scrolling content. If a clip looks outdated, you can search for a fresher alternative using more specific keywords. Sometimes, adjusting your search terms makes a big difference. For concepts like evergreen content, you might need to think creatively. Searching evergreen alone may show nature clips, but using related ideas like money, growth, or upward charts can communicate the idea much more effectively. The key is deciding how precise you want to be. Being less picky speeds up the process, while more precision improves polish and viral potential. This same approach applies to all scenes. This part of the process typically takes the longest, but once you get used to it, you can move through scenes very quickly. Next is the audio section, which includes background music and AI voiceovers. Background music is simple to add. Just browse, preview tracks, and apply one if you like it. You can remove it at any time if you want to focus more on the voice. For voiceovers, Pictory offers both premium and standard AI voices, including multilingual options powered by 11 Labs. The premium voices generally sound more natural, but there are plenty of solid standard options that work perfectly for faceless Instagram Reels. You can preview different voices, choose the one you like, and apply it to your video. If you prefer recording your own voice, that's also an option. Simply select a scene, click the microphone icon, record your narration, save it, and apply it. You can repeat this for each scene if you want full control over the narration. There's also an upload option if you use external voiceover software. You can upload pre-recorded audio files and apply them directly to your scenes. Another useful feature is branding. This allows you to upload your logo, choose brand colors, and maintain a consistent look across all your faceless Instagram videos. You can create a brand profile, add your logo, select colors, and even associate visuals, music, or voices with it. Once saved, you can apply this branding to future reels to speed up your workflow and stay consistent. Back in the editor, the Styles section lets you change the overall look of your video quickly. You can preview different styles and see how they affect text, backgrounds, and highlighted keywords. If you find one you like, you can apply it to all scenes with a single click. This is a fast way to unify the look of your AI-generated Instagram Reels without manually editing each scene. There are plenty of styles available, so feel free to experiment. Text editing is straightforward. The main script at the bottom is what gets narrated by the AI voice. Any additional on-screen text can be clicked, edited, or deleted as needed. Elements add a bit of fun and flexibility, allowing you to include arrows, stickers, GIFs, or emojis. You can search for elements, add them to scenes, move them around, or remove them easily. These are optional extras, but they can help emphasize points and increase engagement on Instagram. Formatting options let you adjust orientation and resolution. When everything is finished, you can preview the video and download it. Previewing a scene lets you hear the voiceover and see how the visuals and text come together. Overall, the editor is very intuitive. Most of the effort goes into matching visuals with the script and making small refinements. Beyond text to video, Pictory also offers URL to video, which is another powerful feature for faceless Instagram content. By pasting in a URL, Pictory pulls the source article and generates an AI-powered summary. That summary becomes the script for your video, and from there, the editing process is exactly the same. You can edit, reorder, add, or delete scenes as needed. This makes turning blog posts or articles into viral Instagram Reels incredibly fast. Once you understand how the main editor works, creating faceless Instagram Reels with AI becomes effortless. If you don't like a scene, you can remove it instantly. When you proceed, the video is generated and brought back into the familiar editor interface for final tweak. After you've finished editing and are happy with your video, click the download button in the top right corner of the editor. You'll see options to download your video with watermark, or if you're a premium user, without watermark. For free users, select Download with Watermark. Pictory will process your video, and once it's ready, it will be saved to your computer. To upload your video as an Instagram Reel, open the Instagram app and go to the Reels section or tap the plus button and select Reel. Choose the video file you just downloaded. Make sure your video is vertical and preferably under 90 seconds to fit Instagram Reels format. You can add music, text, stickers, or effects directly in Instagram if you want. Write a catchy caption and include relevant hashtags to reach more viewers. Once everything looks good, tap Share, and your AI-generated faceless video will be live as an Instagram Reel. That wraps up this tutorial on how to create faceless Instagram Reels using AI and why Pictory is one of the best AI video generators. If you'd like to try it for yourself, use the link in the description to test Pictory for free.